again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. And I want to do something stupid and simple. And I'm going to try and do it this way. I'm going to make myself some puddles of stripes, and I'm going to try my hardest to not overdo on the paint, which has been kind of hard lately. I don't know why. Maybe because I always say I don't overuse paint. Maybe suddenly it makes it harder. So I've been thinking about this for a while, and I just really want to know if it can be done. And it looks kind of like it can, but I think I want to grab an edge catcher. And if this works, then I'll do my next project too. I think I could probably... I just want to fill in the blank canvas. And if I don't think it's fabulous enough, I'm going to throw chain or basing brush or something in there. But I really love black and white, and I just want to play. And I don't think I'm probably the only one. I'm going to squeeze that over to cover that edge. That's pretty neat. Let's do it the other way. Let's add some more paint first. Right there too, where it needs it. Let's see what we get, because we got some beautiful cells popping right on that edge catcher. I'm just going to lower that right to that. I don't know how far we can go with this. I don't expect gray until I actually add in some tools to pull paint. I want all of that to pool at the bottom so that there's enough so that I can cover all the spaces that are uncovered on the way back. Like that one. And I'm going to rock it again. Now I really can add some more black in there, and I think that that might be part of the fun of this, is just doing what I want. Because my intention next is to throw paint from the edge. I want some more here. Back and forth this way. And I could put gold in here. I could put anything in here. I think I want a little more black that way. I don't know what I'm going to get, but I know it will be black and white. And that means it'll probably be something interesting, at least to me. So let's go the wrong way first. Let's make sure that's long enough. It's not. This one is. And try and get my hand all the way down to the end. I'm going to let it be as... I can't put too much pressure on it or it'll gap in some places. I can run it down on an angle if I wanted to, but right now I just want it to continue to fill in the gap. Right over here. And it's not dripping down my arm yet. Okay, I gotta roll it down a little bit. That's alright, it'll be interesting. I promise. Let's rock it back. Now we're going for the other side. Because I can, and it's making some beautiful cells. And this is maybe truly accidental art. I've also got a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula and a little bit of paint right here. Oh, I want that paint. Come here, paint. Right onto the canvas. Okay, well, I got a little bit of a mess, but that's to be expected, especially lately when I'm in experimenting mode in a big way. I'm just going to let all that run the other way and hope that after I let it travel down to one side that it will be a little more evenly distributed across the bottom. And I could have added more black and more white, but I don't want... I want to try and keep the amount of paint that I waste to a minimum, and I had an itch on my chin, darn. So I can also scrape off the edge catcher, which is probably the next thing that's going to happen. Since I can't seem to fill, I'm going to rock that, fill every bit of my painting. I'm going to let it roll back. I think what I want to do right now, other than do what I just said, which is add a little paint to the places where there isn't any. I'll just rotate that. We'll snag this paint right here. And do the same on the other side, trying not to drip over, but I don't think it's going to make any difference if I do. Use my finger to fill in. Let's grab the torch and see what happens. And then I can decide if I want to add more paint or not. So I don't add any silicone to my paint. But I do use GAC 800 to keep it from cracking when I leave it thick. And I also, my pouring recipe is underneath the video, underneath Show More. I also mix Decor pouring medium and Floetrol half and half, especially when I can find the Decor pouring medium on sale at Hobby Lobby. That's all cool. If I go much further, I won't be able to do anything that I was talking about, like chain. And I haven't used any chain, and that's kind of okay, but maybe not. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Oh, do I really want to do that? Yeah, I skimmed up the surface with the heat, but I don't give up easily. When I want to play, I like my cells. I want some kind of interesting pattern. I'm going to wipe that off, and I'm going to use, I want some more black in there. That's what I want. And I don't know if I can get away with it because I'm pretty sure I just about wore out my welcome with that torch. But it never kept me from trying before. So do this before you torch, if you're going to do this at all. And wipe it off once in a while. And you know, if you get to the point where it's just not exciting enough, you can always do what I might do and add some color. If I can, unless I can restrain myself. I'm going to try and restrain myself, because this is my black and white series. And I want a bamboo skewer. That's got a lot of paint on it, which means that I can not skewer it literally if I'm cautious. So I'm a big waggler, like so, and I'll use any excuse to waggle. Really, I will. Waggles and spirals. But I'm liking a lot of things about this, but I need a skewer that is not got a lot of paint on it, because I know there's other stuff under here, and in order to expose it, I'm going to have to let myself dig for it, shall we say. I'm not overly impressed, but I'm not hating it either. I'm wondering what would happen if I tipped. Not that I shouldn't have done that a while back before I torched, but we do still have some movement. It really is too late to add any other colors. Oh, it's not too late to use that paint that fell down over the end to cover the edge. Cool. I got a lot of nice cells, and I could probably just go ahead and give myself permission to make some lines I like that are interesting, so I can make it into my composition, as opposed to whatever you get when you tip art and you have to call it accidental after that. I've got a little bit of uncovered canvas, and I'm going to cover it. So if I leave the paint heavy like that, then you can see that I have a chance at changing it up, which is kind of cool. I like that better than I liked it before, for sure. I want to do it again, because I don't have to change everything to change a little bit. That's cool. I'm actually really pleased and surprised. I don't know why I should be surprised, but so this is cool, and I'm going to do it again right there. And I could probably just keep doing that until I'm very happy. But you know what? I think I'm getting close to very happy, which means shop my Amazon link underneath the video. You can find it through opening up Show More. You can find Pinterest and Instagram at the bottom, and Facebook albums volumes 1, 2, and 3 that are affiliated with Facebook group called Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation. That's, wait a minute, that's the student group. The other one is Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors. So please give me a thumbs up. The YouTube algorithm knows to place my videos in a better placement. If I get enough thumbs up, I'd really appreciate that. That would be a vast assistance to me. If you would like to assist me in a more financial way, you will be included in the monthly drawing for a painting, and I will send you a receipt of that. If you look for, find, and use the PayPal or Patreon icon on my channel header, or the link underneath Show More underneath the video. So I'm actually really pretty chuffed about this. This is cool. And we use the torch to release the bubbles in the paint and hopefully to create some cells. And the only thing making cells is the interaction between that black and that white. And as black and whites go, this is fun. I see a place I want to put some more paint though. And I'm going to do that. I've got really neat black and white paint over there. I've got to be careful. I want that to stay black. Right there. Yep, that's what I wanted, and that's what I got. I'll use the residual from my bamboo skewer right on the edge. And I'm good to go. So keep an eye out for the end screens, and you'll find a place to shop on my webpage at Fine Art America or pixels.com, which are actually one and the same. And you can find Shop More to the same location on my Facebook pages. There's lots of them. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I am Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the backyard. And that was fun. And I'm good. I'm good. I needed some fun. I love you guys. Thank you for all the compliments, and thank you for all the contributions that have kept me going for the past year plus, keeping me in art supplies. I really, really, really appreciate you very, very much. In fact, I would even say I love you. So, I've said it before, I'll say it again, I love you. And hope to see you in one of the 650, or I hope to allow you, no, that's not working either. I hope you watch some of the 650 plus videos that are on the end screen and the playlist. And look for the prizes in those same last 20 seconds of this video. And pardon my being tongue-tied. I think that's cool. Bye for now. Do I need to zoom in? No, but it'd probably be okay to see it better. A little zoom never hurt anybody. There we go. Alright, you guys. I'll see you around. Bye for now. Priscilla out.